Hey, and thank you for joining us. Today in this episode, we will be making a delicious fireside treat with just a few ingredients and a microwave. It is the s'more. This recipe is a level 2 recipe due to heat. For today's recipe, you'll only need 3 simple ingredients. You'll need large marshmallows, a chocolate bar, and graham crackers. Instead of cooking these tasty treats over a toasty fire with a stick, today you'll just need a microwavable plate and a microwave. Welcome to another episode of Josh Can Cook. Josh, what are we making today? S'mores! Yes, we're making s'mores today. Josh, what is step number 1?
Wash your hands.
Yes, Josh, go ahead and wash your hands. While Josh is washing his hands, we have time for a sous chef huddle. I just have a few questions to make sure we have everything prepared for our recipe to be a success. Question 1, how are you and your chef feeling? If either one of you feel tired, irritable, cranky, this might not be the best time to attempt cooking together. Question 2, do you have time? We want this to be an extremely enjoyable experience for our chef, and because of that, it can't be rushed. If you don't have enough time to let this be a laid-back experience, you might want to try putting on an episode of Go Noodle and maybe dancing to have some fun. Is this the right recipe for your chef? You know your chef best. You know their attention span, their sensory issues, and what they like and they don't like. S'mores are a very easy recipe to make, but the final product is a little messy, so take that into consideration before making this recipe. Question number 4, do you have everything in place? To give your chef the best opportunity to have a successful experience, please put out all the recipe ingredients and utensils prior to starting the recipe. Okay, if you and your chef are all ready, it's time for us to start cooking. Okay, Josh, what is step number 2?
Break graham cracker in half.
Okay, break the graham cracker in half. Josh, what is step number 3?
Add gram of cottage.
Yes, add square of chocolate. Josh, what is step number 4?
Add 2 marshmallows.
Yes, add 2 marshmallows. While filming, we were using a recipe and we used 2 marshmallows. After putting in the microwave, we found out that it was a little more messy than we expected. So it might help if you only use 1 marshmallow for this recipe. Josh, what is step number 5?
Put cracker in top.
Yes, put the graham cracker on top. Okay, Josh, what is the last step?
Put in the microwave. Put in the microwave for 50 seconds.
Yes, put it in the microwave for 15 seconds. While we're waiting for the microwave, dance break. A great way for your chef to gain independence is not just cooking for himself, but helping with others. Today, Josh made his s'mores for not just himself, but also for his little brothers. So everybody, when I count to 3, take a bite. 1, 2, 3. What do you think, guys?
Good.
Thank you for watching another episode of
Josh and Cook.